Here comes the ice cream man. Here comes the. Okay, sir. Here comes the ice cream man. Thank to you. Happy birthday, dear new ice cream truck. Happy birthday to you. So here comes the ice cream truck. So let's go ahead and stop home so we can get ice cream. I told you guys. I told you. Here comes the ice cream truck. Yay! Yay! Here he is. The ice cream man. Alright. Sup? How you doing? Alright, can I have the chocolate Big Dipper? And can I have the strawberry one?
We're out of the strawberry. We have the chocolate one.
Oh, okay, do you have this birthday cake, ice cream sandwich? Can I have that, please? Oh. Alright, that's it.
$3.50.
Alright, here you go. Thank you. See ya. I told you came. Hey! What are you doing? Yep. Say hi. Alright, that's the ice cream, man.
Oh, let me
Ice cream.
watch your money.
Yep, I know.
Give me $5.
What do you mean $5? This is mine.
Oh, now I want it.
What, you want to hold my money then?
No.
Then what do you want to do?
You got change.
I've changed. Why?
You want this? Well, give me this.
What are you doing? Oh, you just want a Band-Aid?
Now I wanted to give it to our jar.
Arm.
You got something?
Nope, I hope not. I got me 2 ice creams. I asked Messiah, did you want some? She said no thanks.
I also,
did come. That was cool.
I still
Yeah,
also
he did
walked
came.
47 meters down Cape.
Yes,
You see these 3?
yes.
They're going in your room. That's your body wash, lotion, deodorant for school.
Okay.
Take it upstairs. You too, Miss.
Sure. I thought it was gonna come. I meant not that thing, but like what tall.
Oh, yeah, 'cause you're a charm.
I'm gonna go chill. I'm gonna come back outside.
What you do with your...
Why?
I'm gonna be on the thing. I'm just asking. Who's the lighter? Sure. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bro, pick up this broom for Grandma.
There, there.
See you tomorrow.
Bye. See you tomorrow.
Come back tomorrow. We'll be waiting for you.
Why not, ice cream man?
He's a nice ice cream man, isn't he?
Yeah, but the old one, he was very nice.
He passed away.
I can't believe that. Yeah, he really passed away. It was sad.
Hey, come on, where the fuck these leaves coming from?
Yeah, that's why there's a new ice cream truck. Well, that's it. Peace.